Okay, breaking news again. The Stickies are about to come out of the oven. Flip it around.
First,
Here we
we're going to test them to see if they're done, because I don't understand gas stoves.
Okay. They're smelling good though.
Yeah, it looks like it's brown on the side.
They're looking
I
good.
think they're going to be good.
And the way we determined whether they were done, whether we should look at them in the oven was, goodness, this thing's stuck on. Mama said, oh, let me see, maybe if I flip it. Mama said, hey, I can smell them, so they must be done. And let's see. So how long did they stay in there, Mama, you think? They're beautiful. Aren't they beautiful?
I don't know. How long? I don't know. You kept up
So
with that.
we started with 20 minutes, and you said maybe 20 minutes. Then we did another 5 minutes because you couldn't smell them, right? And
No, I was afraid they might not be done on the bottom.
And then we were going to do another 2 minutes, except for that she suddenly started smelling them, so we got them out. So I would say maybe 26 minutes is how long they sat in the oven at 400 degrees.
Yeah.
And Mama's going to get, are you going to get the middle one for yourself?
Yes.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking.
She tried to, she can't reach anything in
I
my
can't reach anything. So I'm just going to put
Here.
it on this
No,
plate.
wait a minute. I'll get it.
No,
Here,
I'll just
hold,
put it.
Hold it. I'll talk to people.
Okay, hello. Excuse the way I look, sound, and everything. I think I didn't talk loud enough, but I'm old. So,
Here's
hey children, love y'all.
Okay. Here we go. She's getting the middle sticky, Caleb and Chris. It's all for Grandma Betty. What do you say? Na boo boo.
First time.
All those stickies she's made, and she's never got the middle one. So
Well,
she's
I may have.
thinks that is the best.
I should have used a little more butter.
A little more
A
better.
little more butter.
Okay. Well,
But maybe regular butter would have been more
I don't know.
juicier.
I really like the Kerrygold better. I'm gonna vote to continue. Don't look at my messy drawer. We'll look at the floor.
Well,
Ah!
found a fork.
How do you like my floor?
I can't find the fork.
I hope it's not dirty.
Let's
Now here's the stickies. And she is tasting the sticky.
Okay. Look, something sweet. I've been here 5 weeks. Had 2 ounces of chocolate.
We don't need a lot of sugar here. Ever since we did the whole 30 in January, we've been behaving ourselves pretty well.
So I guess I get all the stickies for myself. Well, I'm going to taste it. And if it doesn't taste good, guess what? I won't tell y'all. Good.
Is it as good as what you make at home?
Well, maybe I needed more butter.
So not enough butter. What do you think about that coconut sugar in there? And like, do you have complaints about the coconut sugar, goat milk, or it's the whole deal? You're thinking about it hard,
I'm
aren't you?
thinking about
They're tolerable,
it.
even with goat milk and coconut sugar instead of refined sugar and cow milk.
So this is healthy stickies. You can eat all you want. I guess there are no calories. And probably you need a glass of milk with them. Or a cup of coffee. And a friend. And anyway. Not supposed to put yourself on there chewing a biscuit or nothing.
Don't talk with your mouth full, right? Oh, well, they smell really good. I can't wait to eat one myself.
Bye. I hope y'all do good too.
Bye-bye.